Anomalies in captivity. Train stop in Japan due to the earthquake. The magnitude reached 6.1 points. This happened near the coast of central Japan. The tremors were felt most strongly in the eastern prefectures of Fukushima and Ibaraki, but also in the capital Tokyo. The earthquake struck at around 5 p.m. local time at a depth of 350 kilometers off the coast of Mie Prefecture. A tsunami warning was not issued. Meteorologists say the eastern part of the country was hit by a phenomenon called anomalous seismic intensity, in which the tremors originated from distant epicenters, in this case the Pacific Plate near Japan. The Japan Central Railway said the high-speed train between Shin-Fuji and Nagoya stations was temporarily suspended due to the earthquake. Authorities on the island of Tonga in the Pacific Ocean have issued a tsunami warning following a magnitude 7.3 earthquake. That hit the sea about 207 kilometers from the nation's capital, sources said.